Thank you so much. We're back on Apex TV. Right about now, we are at John Black's Airbus concert in Barra at Ajip Motel, and I'm right here with Latinum. How are you, Latinum?
I'm fine. What's up?
Nothing. Mama, I'm going to get that damn
Auntie different, auntie Fabaliko, Fabanabaliko, Stegela system.
What's the name of my band? Ajakoko Shaloza ku concert ya good ya John Black.
Those yeah, he deserves it. He has done more for it. So we're here for him. Yeah.
So do you think it's going to catch fire? Do you think it's a success already?
It's already fire. It was fire Ginger. It was fire Freedom City, fire Ginger. Already here fire.
What do you tell the Barra people? What do you want them to expect from you tonight?
Fire, and they should expect from me a concert next year.
Are you planning anything? Do you have anything in stock?
Already Central Gina. So next year planning a concert.
What happened?
Soma. Nabivako Sagala Soma. Already I'm earning money. I work, this is what I want. It's my career, it's my life. I don't want to be broke because I got a lot of music. Then I went to school and I'm already earning money. I'm already becoming what I want.
Oh, ina yenye mpya.
Yeah. Mugende ku YouTube, mugende ku imana ngolpya balita chobo manya. Then in January 1st I'm dropping a new audio and the video is called Chana Chambalala.
I'm so glad you honored our interview. We are happy to have you here. Thank you so much for honoring Apex TV. Till next time, as we are still chilling at Ajip Motel and we are with Latinum, we're waiting for Airbus and many more other artists. Let's wait for them till next time. I'm Yoga Aldera.